All right, it's going to be a trade recap on how I made $3,260.48 day trading the NASDAQ futures this morning. This was the absolute banger trade that we took this morning. We were done 5 minutes into market open. I took this trade on live in my free Discord. The link will be down in the description. I live stream in there twice a week. On every Tuesday and Thursday, I'm always live day trading in there. And I also post free daily bias videos and trade ideas every single day in there for completely free. So join that up, link in the description. Absolute banger. I'm gonna go over why I took this trade and how you could have taken the same one. So first of all, coming into the day, I was bullish. If we delete some of this stuff, we don't need any of that. If we bring this back a little. So I was bullish to this 4-hour gap. We did have relative equal lows that we left down here, but I didn't care about those since we were so far away from them. And if we look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see we are kind of building this this little market maker buy model here. And either the end of it was going to be this 4-hour gap, I think, or all the way up to these highs. But my main draw for today was this 4-hour gap. So coming in the market open, I'm just looking for any areas that could send price higher to that 4-hour gap. And if we play price out a little, oh, okay, well, if we go like this, we can see we have this 1-hour fair value gap right here. So coming into the day, I wanted to see this 1-hour gap get filled. We come down, tap this 1-hour gap, then get our entry up to the 4-hour fair value gap. So now if we come over to market open, play this out. Where's market open? Right around here. So if we play this out, now we can look in the lower time frames at market open. This is the 30-second time frame, which is where I ended up taking my trade. But as we can see, we're getting this accumulation right here. Very big accumulation zone. I'll make that yellow. So now if I'm looking for a manipulation down to this 1-hour gap and then a distribution up to this 4-hour gap off of market open, very simple, very easy. Market opens, we dump down, we edge the 1-hour gap, get a little retrace, come back down. We now tap the 1-hour gap. We have no entry within this leg, so now we're just waiting for the highest time frame entry or inversion off of this leg. We see that there's a 30-second, there's no 1 minute, there's no 2 minute, there's no 3 minute, and so on. So we're looking for that 30-second inversion. Plus we get the CISD, which is the strongest type of inversion. When you get a CISD plus a inversion, that's the strongest inversion. So we get the inversion right there. There was my entry. I got a little bit of a higher fill right there. So that was my entry. As you can see here, we have this accumulation manipulation right here down into the 1-hour fair value gap. We then get our highest time frame inversion. I went break even at the high of this accumulation zone right here. I was break even, and then hold this all the way up to the 4-hour gap for a 1 to 1.82 RR and an instant delivery. Beautiful setup today. Absolutely bread and butter. AMD model, Judah swing off open. I mean, literally doesn't get any better than this. Absolute beautiful setup this morning, and we were done trading with 5 minutes into market open. But super clean trade today. Absolute beautiful setup, bread and butter. If you guys did not take this, make sure you're journaling and learning from this, because everyone should have taken this today. It was the best setup in my opinion. This is like my favorite setup right here. So absolute beautiful day, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.